Hello, this is Leo at LeTime. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a witch hazel lavender toner for daily use by using KD5 distiller. Witch hazel contains strong antioxidants including tannins. This can help protect the skin from UV light. It's good for treating the skin after the sunburn. Lavender is good anti-inflammation, antibacterial. It's wonderful clean the skin and manage the acne and control the sensitive skin. The combination of witch hazel and the lavender make a synergetic effect to boost the skin health. And it's wonderful for all type of skin. But when you buy this toner, don't use those contain the alcohol, because on the market a lot of witch hazel contain a high concentration of alcohol. And today's video I'll show you how to make the witch hazel and the lavender toner at home by using the KD5 distiller. I'm using dry witch hazel leaf and dry lavender buds. I don't have a garden to grow these beautiful plants. But there are good vendors online, so easy to order this dry organic level plant material all year round. So the KD5, we do like 1 cup of the witch hazel and 1 cup of lavender. And then lavender. After getting 2 cups of the hydrosol, then I can stop the distillation. So within this cup of hydrosol, it contains a witch hazel extract and a lavender extract, and also a layer of lavender essential oil. While making a toner, you can also add a vegetable glycerin. I choose the organic. It's better to use a vegetable sourced glycerin. They're also manufactured. With 2 cups of hydrosol, we add 1 tablespoon. So the concentration can be around from 2 to 5%. There are 3 major compounds within the toner. The witch hazel extract, it contains a good antioxidant, help prevent the skin from the oxidant. UV light or other oxidative radicals can break the skin. The lavender extract, including the hydrosol and essential oil, they are good antibacterial, anti-inflammation, calm the acne, manage the sensitive skin, and help cleanse the skin. And the third is the glycerin. Glycerin is also antibacterial and it has a very good hydrating property. It can help keep the skin hydrated, moisturized, so keep it look younger. Thank you for watching. This is Leo at LeTime. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about medicinal herb, how to extract and how to use them. Click the bell so you won't miss the new video coming out weekly. See you next time.